Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a logo slider on your Wix.com website. Now, you need to start from the dashboard here and you want to go on your desired site, which in my site will be my other site here. Now, once here, you just need to click on this button here to edit your site, right? Once you click on that, it'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now, from the Wix website editor here, you want to go on the left-hand side here to add elements. And once you click on that, it'll pop up this gallery like this. Now from here, you just want to click on this gallery, and on gallery, you'll see there's a slide. You want to go to slider galleries here. And as you can see, there's this logo slider like this. Now just click and drag and drop it to the Wix.com site here, right? And you can resize it however you want. I'm just going to resize it to be a little smaller. Now, once you have this on the site, now we need to replace the images that's on the slider right now, because right now it's just random images. Now, you just want to go to click on change images. And I'm going to delete all of these images, or I'm going to add images first. Yeah, I'm just going to add it first. I'm going to add images and we're going to add a logo. I'm just going to search up a logo, the Facebook logo real quick. So Facebook. And I'm just going also to Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. Save image. And Twitter. And I'm also going to do the YouTube logo, just for an example, right? So Twitter, and then YouTube. I'm just gonna go with this one, since it's a nice round circle. And I think we need 4, so I'm gonna have to do one more. I think I just downloaded a. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, now I'm going to do Instagram as well. Instagram. Okay, now I have 4 logos, and I'm going to have to upload them onto the Wix website editor here, which is upload media right here, upload from computer. And we're going to upload the 4 logos we just got earlier, right? Give it a second. I'm going to go to downloads and I'm going to upload these 4 files. Open. Now just wait for it to load. These are pretty small files, so it shouldn't take long at all. There you go. Nice. Now I'm going to add all 4 of these onto the gallery. I'm just going to highlight all of them and I'm going to click on add to gallery, just like this. Now, as you can see, the logos are done. I'm going to delete all of these random images for now. And then I'm going to click on done. And now we have a logo slider here. I'm going to preview it real quick. The Twitter one is a bit cut off, but you get the point of what it is. See, now we have a pretty nice logo slider that will slide on your Wix.com website.